Good morning to all. I am G.A. Hegde, working as Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, KGF State College, Urgam, KGF. Today, we shall discuss about compounds of nonmetals. This chapter is included for third semester BSc, Bangalore North University. Under this chapter, we shall discuss boron compounds. Under this boron compounds, we shall discuss about the synthesis of diborane, borazole and boron trifluoride, the properties of these compounds and also the structures and uses of these compounds. After studying these compounds, you will understand what are metallic and non-metallic compounds, their properties, how these compounds are either manufactured or prepared, and also the structures and uses of these compounds. In order to understand this, you must know how to write a balanced chemical equations, a writing of the structures, the little knowledge of type of bonding and also the type of hybridizations. With this, let us discuss about the first boron compound, boron trifluoride. Its molecular formula is BF3. Methods of preparation. In the first method, it is prepared by heating boron trioxide with sodium fluoride and concentrated sulfuric acid. The balanced chemical equation is B2O3 plus 6 NaF plus 3 H2SO4 gives rise to 2BF3 plus 3 Na2SO4 plus 3 H2O. In the second method, it is prepared by heating boron trioxide with calcium fluoride and concentrated sulfuric acid. The equation is B2O3 plus 3CaF2 plus 3H2SO4 gives rise to 2BF3 plus 3CaSO4 plus 3H2O. The some chemical properties of boron trifluoride are: the first one is with water. At high temperature, it undergoes hydrolysis to boric acid. The equation is BF3 plus 3H2O gives rise to H3BO3 plus 3HF. The second reaction is addition reaction. Boron trifluoride undergoes an addition reaction with compounds like ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, etc. to form addition compounds. The equation is BF3 plus NH3 gives rise to NH3BF3. Uses of boron trifluoride are: the first one, it is used in preparation of compounds. The second one, it is used as a Lewis acid in the synthesis of the organic compounds as a catalyst. The structure: boron trifluoride has regular trigonal structure with boron sp2 hybridization, and the parameters are: the FPF bond angle is 120 degrees and BF bond distance is 0.130 nanometer. The second compound is borazole, or it is also called as borazine. Its formula is B3N3H6. Methods of preparation. In the first method, it is prepared by the reaction of diborane with ammonia at low temperature about minus 120 degrees Celsius. The addition compound is heated to high temperature around 300 degrees Celsius. The equation is B2H6 plus 2NH3 gives rise to B2H6 2NH3, an addition compound. 3B2H6 2NH3 gives rise to 2B3N3H6 plus 12H2. In the second method, it is also prepared by the reaction of lithium borohydride with ammonium chloride at high temperature. The equation is 3LiBH4 plus 3NH4Cl gives rise to B3N3H6 plus 9H2 plus 3LiCl. Some of the chemical properties are: the first one, with water. When boiled with water at high temperature, it forms boric acid. The equation is B3N3H6 plus 9H2O gives rise to 3H3BO3 plus 3NH3 plus 3H2. The second reaction is, it is an addition reaction. With hydrogen chloride forms addition compounds, and the balanced equation is B3N3H6 plus 3HCl gives rise to B3N3H9Cl3, an addition compound. The uses of borazole: it is used in the preparation of compound. The structure: borazole has the similar structure to benzene. Hence, it is also called as inorganic benzene. It is sp3 hybridized. The parameters are: the BNO bond distance is 0.144 nanometer and the BH bond distance is 0.119 nanometer. The third compound, diborane, its molecular formula is B2H6. The methods of preparation: in the first method, it is prepared by the reduction of sodium borohydride with iodine in diglyme solvent. 2NaBH4 plus I2 gives rise to B2H6 plus 2NaI plus 2H2. In the second method, it is prepared by the careful addition of concentrated sulfuric acid to sodium borohydride. The equation is 2NaBH4 plus H2SO4 gives rise to B2H6 plus 2H2 plus Na2SO4. In the third method, commercially, it is prepared by the reduction of boron trioxide with aluminium in an atmosphere of hydrogen. B2O3 plus 2Al plus 3H2 gives rise to B2H6 plus Al2O3. Some chemical properties of diborane are: first one, burning. It burns in air, forming corresponding oxides with the release of energy. The equation is B2H6 plus 3O2 gives rise to B2O3 plus 3H2O. The second one, with water. When boiled with water, it undergoes hydrolysis to boric acid. B2H6 plus 3H2O gives rise to 2H3BO3 plus 6H2. The uses of diborane: number one, it is used as rocket fuel. The second use, in the preparation of compounds. The structure. The structure of diborane is very interesting. Diborane is electron deficient compound. There are not enough valence electrons to form normal bonds. Instrumental analysis shows that the 4 terminal hydrogen and 2 boron atoms lie on the same plane. Other 2 hydrogen lie above and below the 2 BH2 groups. The 4 BH bonds are normal covalent bonds. The methylation of diborane results in the replacement of 4 hydrogen. The 2 BH2 units formed by overlapping between 1s orbital of hydrogen with sp3 hybrid orbitals of boron. 2 sp3 hybrid orbitals of boron are used to form 2 terminal BH bonds. One hydrogen atom placed between 2 BH2 units and above the plane results in overlap of 2 sp3 hybrid orbitals of boron and 1 s orbital of hydrogen, a delocalized molecular orbital covering 3 nuclei, that is BHB, containing pair of electron is formed. This is known as 3-center 2-electron bond or banana bond. A similar 3-center 2-electron bond is formed with the other atoms. After studying all this, you just recall what we discussed in this chapter. We have discussed about the types of compounds, the structures of some non-metallic compounds, the uses of the non-metallic compounds, the types of hybridization, etc. After studying this, we shall answer for some simple questions. The first question is, the structure of borazole is. It's a hexagonal structure. The second question is, the type of hybridization in boron trifluoride is sp2. The third one, the bonding in diborane is 3-center 2-electron bond. The next one is, the inorganic benzene is borazole or borazine. The next question is, diborane is not used as oxidizing agent. In order to prepare this, I have referred these books. For further informations, you can also refer these books and also the internet. Thank you.